Namaskar, this is Nayan and I welcome all of you to my new lecture series. Students, till now we solved a total of 40 problems from SLET 2024 Physical Science paper. Today also I will continue the journey by solving another set of 5 problems. So without further delay, let's get started. Problem number 41. This problem number 41 is assertion region type problem. Now first, let me read the statements of assertion and region. Assertion: very high magnetic field cannot be produced by a normal electromagnet. Yeah, this statement is true. Okay? Always remember, with the help of normal electromagnet, we cannot produce very high or intense magnetic fields. Nowadays, very high or intense magnetic fields are produced with the help of superconducting magnets. Next, region. The current supplied in the higher range mostly heat up the coil instead of increasing the magnetic field. This statement is also true. Okay? When a high current is supplied to an electromagnet, then the coil heat up significantly due to Joule effect. This can limit the magnetic field strength that can be practically achieved. So, after analyzing, we have seen that both assertion and region are true, and this region correctly explains the assertion. So, therefore, the correct answer of question number 41 is option A. Both assertion and region are true, and region is the proper justification for the assertion. Okay? Now, let us discuss question number 42. This question number 42 is also assertion region type question. Assertion: low energy electron diffraction can be used to study the bulk structure of a solid. Students, this statement is false. Okay? Always remember, this low energy electron diffraction is used to study surface structures, not the bulk structure of a solid. So, therefore, this assertion is false. Next, region. Electrons with matching wavelength of interplanar spacing of a solid can serve the purpose for low energy. This statement is true. Okay? Electrons with wavelengths matching the interplanar spacing of a solid can indeed serve the purpose for low energy. It is because in case of low energy electron diffraction, the low energy electrons interact with surface atoms and their wavelengths are comparable to the interatomic distances. So, therefore, this region is true. So, after analyzing, we have seen that the assertion is false and the region is true. So, the correct answer of question number 42 is option D. Assertion is false but the region is true. Okay? Next, let us move to question number 43. This question number 43 is also assertion region type question. Assertion: the problems of the operational amplifier with negative feedback can be solved using the concept of virtual ground. Students, this statement is true. Okay? The concept of virtual ground does help in solving various problems of op-amp with negative feedback. Next, region. The potentials at the inverting and non-inverting inputs of the operational amplifier with negative feedback are the same. This statement is also true. Always remember, in an ideal operational amplifier with negative feedback, the potential difference between the inverting and non-inverting inputs is 0. This implies that the potentials at these inputs are the same. So, after analyzing, we have seen that both assertion and region are true, and this region correctly explains the assertion. So, therefore, the correct answer of question number 43 is option A. Both assertion and region are true, and the region is the correct explanation for the assertion. Now, let us move to question number 44. This question number 44 is also assertion region type question. Assertion: the maximum possible value of the rate of change of output voltage is called the slew rate of the operational amplifier. This statement is true. Okay? Students, this slew rate represents the fastest response that an operational amplifier can have, and it is defined as the maximum rate of change of output voltage, and typically it is expressed in volt per microsecond. ठीक है. Next, region. The slew rate is independent of the signal frequency. This statement is false. ठीक है. The slew rate affects the frequency response of the operational amplifier, particularly for high frequency signals. ठीक है. So after analyzing, we have seen that the assertion is true but region is false. So the correct answer of question number 44 is option D. Assertion is true but region is false. ठीक है. Finally, let us discuss question number 45. This is also assertion region type question. Assertion: transistor can be used in a power amplifier. This statement is true. ठीक है. Transistors are used in power amplifiers to amplify electrical signals. Next, region. In common collector configuration, it has low input impedance and high output impedance. This statement is false. ठीक है. Actually, in common collector configuration, it has high input impedance and low output impedance. So after analyzing, we have seen that the assertion is true and the region is false. So therefore, the correct answer of question number 45 is option D. Assertion is true but region is false. So this is all about today's video, and I hope that you have learnt a lot from this video.